It's an object-oriented programming language. Yes, correct. Now, what is an object-oriented programming language?
It consists of a class and an object.
Perfect. What is a class and what is an object?
The class is like the idea or plan.
Super.
And the object is the representation, physical representation of the class.
Right. A class is just an idea, whereas an object is a physical representation of a class. Okay?
Yeah.
What is the definition of Java?
Platform system independent program.
Platform or system independent programming. Okay. Tell me, Samir.
Yes.
What is the other point of definition? I mean, what are the other points that are available in this definition?
It's like it runs on all platforms. It's not like subjected to just one platform or something like that.
What do you mean by a platform independent?
Like it runs on any platform.
Right. Very good. Very good, Samir. Very good, Samir. Now, today, I won't ask you any questions now. Okay? I was very much happy with your explanations and everything. Now, to go to the next level. We'll go to the next level. In Java, there are so many special keywords, okay?
Okay.
In Java, there are so many special keywords. Special keywords means only for a particular reason, only for particular implementation, we need to use those keywords.
Okay.
For specific reason, we have to use that particular keywords. If you want to use those keywords everywhere, every time, it's not a good practice. It should not use like that. Each and every keyword will have a specific role. Okay?
Okay.
Each and every keyword in Java will have a specific role. So based on that particular specific role, we have to use that particular special keywords. Okay? Special keywords, or someone will call it as reserved keywords, reserved words. Now, let's have a look on to each and every keyword. Okay? Now, see here. First one is class. Class is a special keyword. Okay? It's a special keyword. When you use this class, whenever you want to define the class name, then you have to use the keyword called class. Okay, when we want to define the class name means writing the class name, declaring the class name. So, class name means, in another way, I can say it is a file name. Okay?
Okay.
It's a file name. So, once you are going to write the file name of your Java program, that file name will be provided with the class name only, with a keyword called class. When we want to define the class name, we need to use a reserved word called class. Syntax: class, first program. Now, what is the file name here, Samin? Tell me.
The file name?
What is the file name I provided here?
First program.
That's it. So, once you want to declare the class name, this is the way how you have to declare the class name. Okay? Now,
Okay.
this is one reserved word. Now, there are so many reserved words. The next one is import. Can you tell me what is an import keyword, Samin?
I'm assuming it imports files.
Right. Import means importing the information. Okay? Import means importing the information. So, this import is also a keyword used to import the resources of others. Okay, if you want to use the resources of others, then we need to use what keyword? Import keyword. Okay, we need to use a keyword called import keyword. Okay?
Okay.
The third statement here, the third reserved keyword here is extends. What is that one? Extends. Extends is also a reserved keyword used to extend the futures of others. What is that? Extends the
Okay.
futures extends means very simple. You know Fast and Furious, right, Samin?
Right.
We have up to 7 series right now.
Uh-huh.
Each and every part is an extension to the old one, right?
Right.
It means they are connecting the part 1 with the part 2, and they are connecting the part 2 with the part 3, part 3 to part 4, like this.
Right.
Extension.
Okay.
That is what exactly the extends keyword.
Okay.
Now, interface. In Java programming language, interface is very, very, very important. But if I say something about the interface now, you won't understand.
Right.
So, just to remember that we have a special keyword called interface. Okay? Now,
Okay.
the next one is implements keyword. What is that one?
Implement.
Right. Implements is similar to the extends keyword. But the difference here is the naming convention only. But I will tell you where we have to use the extends keyword and where we have to use the implements keyword.
All right.
Okay? Now, throws. Throws is also a special keyword in Java. Okay?
Okay.
Next one. Exception. Exception is also another keyword or reserved word in Java programming language. You know why we are discussing right now about the special keywords, Samin? Why? Because you have to understand what are the new keywords you will see in your Java training.
Okay.
If you know the result keywords, then while I'm explaining to you a new topic, then at least you will understand what is that reserved keyword, why we are using that reserved keyword, for what purpose we are using that reserved keyword. That is the only reason why I am discussing about the special keywords in Java.
Okay.
There are so many keywords, okay? Now we will see, we will have a quick look on that one. Now, exception is completed. Throw. Throw is also a keyword. Now, please take a piece of paper. Every time I will tell you to keep a piece of paper with you, right? Now, write an interview question there. An interview question, that is difference between the throws and throw. While I am discussing this topic, after some time, I will ask you these questions.
Okay.
What is the difference between the throw and throws? Next question. What is an extends keyword? Next question.
Okay. Well, are you asking me what the extent is, or hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? I can't hear you if you're saying anything.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, can you hear me?
Yes. What is the difference between extends and implements?
Extend like increases the use of the features, and implement is just using the feature, I think, right?
Yeah, both will be useful to use the features of others, but there is a difference between that one. Okay?
Okay.
Very, very important question now. Difference between the class and the interface.
Okay.
Okay? Difference between the class and the interface. Now, if is a keyword. You know what is the if, Sami?
Yeah, it's if else, right? Or if then statement, something like that.
Right, right. It is a control statement. Okay. For what purpose you will use the if statement, Sami?
Conditional.
Right. Conditional. Very good. Now, the next one is else statement. The next one is continue. What is that one? Continue. Okay. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry.
The next one is switch.
Okay.
You know what is a switch statement?
No.
Suppose, Samin, we will have a small example, okay?
Okay.
I have 5 options, okay? Like
Okay.
colors: red, green, blue, yellow, and black.
Okay.
Now, I am writing some statements to find out what the color I require. Okay, that is a different scenario. Okay,
All right.
but if you use the conditional statements, till the condition gets satisfied, your condition will be rotating like anything.
Okay. Wait, what? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Very simple one. Suppose you want to display 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, you want to display 1 to 10 numbers. So while displaying 1 to 10 numbers, to display 1 to 10 numbers, I will write a condition.
Okay.
Till that condition satisfies, the loop will rotate every time. Okay, it means here the process will be going on continuously till it gets satisfied.
Okay.
But I don't want to make use of my code like that. If I want to find out a particular color from a group of colors, suppose red, green, blue, and yellow. Okay. In
Okay.
this one, I just want to find out whether blue is available or not. Generally, what I will do, I will write the conditional statement and I will start rotating off my loop. Oh my God, first of all, it will go to red. Blue or red, not matching. Again, blue or yellow, not matching. Blue or pink, not matching. Blue or black. It means for single statement, for single way of displaying the result, The loop is continuously rotating. I don't want to make use of that. I don't want to make my code to repeatedly rotating around the loop. So what I will do is I will use the switch statement. Just switch statement. It will work very effectively than to the other control statements. So now in these 5 colors, I just want to see whether blue is available or not. So this time I won't write the control statement, okay, or conditional statement. Just I will use a switch and I will give a small hint to my switch. Hey switch, go and find out the color which is starting with the BL or which starts with the blue. Come on, go and search means. Now this switch statement will not rotate as to previous of that of control statements or conditional statements. Only straight away it will go to the blue. If it is matching, it will display the result on your screen. This switch statement will make your way of developing the application in a very easy manner. Okay? That's how exactly the switch statement will work. Do you understand this one?
I think so.
Okay. One more time, I will explain you. Okay.
Okay.
Switch. Suppose I have a color like red, green, yellow, blue.
Okay.
Pink. I just want to know whether blue is available or not. So what I will do is I will write the switch and I will give a hint like a blue. So now the switch statement will not find or will not rotate around this all colors. It won't rotate to all these colors. What it will do is straight away it will go to blue. It will find out and display the result on your screen, which makes your work very simple here. Otherwise, what will happen? It will go to the red, again it will go to the green, again it will go to the yellow, and then blue. It means for executing this blue, to find out this blue, it is checking all the previous entries that we are having.
Oh, okay.
So it's long time, right? It takes very long time. So switch statement is more efficient than to others. That's the reason why switch will be useful in very effectively. Now it's clear, Sami?
Yeah, I think so. I think it makes more sense now.
Right. Now. While. What is a while?
It's another conditional, right?
Right. It is a conditional statement here. So now I will show you a small table where you can find out the list of all keywords or result words. Okay. 1 second. One second, Samir. I will show you the list of keywords.
Okay.
Now see here.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Are you seeing the screen here?
Yeah, I am.
Now, in this one, we know what is an input. In this one, we know what is an interface, what is a class, what is an extends, what is a throws, throw, while, if, right?
Yeah, right.
Like this, we know everything now. So these are the list of keywords, special keywords in Java.
Okay.
Now, so Samin, do you have any questions on this topic?
Could you go over throw and throws again?
Yeah, I will explain you the throw and throws while we are discussing the topic. If we are
Okay.
discussing now, maybe you will get confused. We will go slowly one by one, and we will be
Okay.
very strong in all the areas of Java. Okay?
Alright.
No
Okay.
need to hurry. No need to hurry. I know when I want to explain you, Samin. Come on. Now, so we had an information about the special keywords in Java. Now, now, what is or how can you say that Java is a platform independent programming language? Samin?
Wait, what? What do you mean?
How can you say that Java is a platform independent programming language?
It is supported on all platforms
How can you say that it will support in all the platforms?
because it's platform independent.
Okay, who makes the Java as a platform independent?
I'm not sure.
Ah, that's what we are going to discuss now.
Okay.
That's what we are going to learn now. Very beautiful concept, very interesting concept. If you have any questions, then ask me here itself. Okay, now,
Okay.
Samin, we know that and we are very pretty sure on that Java is definitely a platform independent programming language
Right.
or a system independent programming language. It means wherever you want to run your Java code, yes, you can run it successfully.
Okay.
Who makes your Java code as a platform independent?
Whoever's writing the code, right?
Oh, we will write the code, that's it. But who has to understand the code, Samin, tell me?
The platform?
The processor, right? The
Okay.
processor of your machine has to understand the instructions. But your processor is different, my processor is different. Your processor will understand certain instructions, and my processor will understand certain instructions. Then
Right.
how can we say that Java is an independent programming language? Independent language means you are very free. You are independent guy. You can go anywhere. You can come at any time. No restrictions, nothing. How? Now see. First of all, I have to write a Java code. Generally, see this example. I have to write the Java code. So the Java code will be like this. First, app. Okay, one second. I will reduce the size here. What is this one? Sample.java. Now in this, this one will be called, it means sample is called as the file name or class name. You can define any name for your class.
Right.
Whatever the name you want to specify, yes, specify that one. No problem.
Okay.
But always remember, whenever you want to write a Java code, you have to save that file with an extension called Java.
Okay.
Because I have to make this file as a different to other files, right?
Right.
By seeing the extension of that file only, I can easily understand what type of file format is that. So, once you started writing of your Java code, provide the file name and save that file with .java. With the .java extension. Okay? Now,
Okay.
once you completed of writing the Java code, then Samin will always be very eager to view the result. Right?
Right.
So to see the result of your Java code, the very first step we have to do is you have to compile the Java code. What is that one?
Wait, I'm sorry, what's the question?
Once you completed of writing your Java code, then you want to see the result of your Java code.
So you
So
compile
to see the result means an output of the Java code.
Right, wouldn't you just compile it?
Right. To compile, to view the result, the very first step is we need to compile the Java code.
Okay.
We need to compile the Java code. But how to compile the Java code? We need to use a compiler.
Right?
We need to use a compiler. Can you tell me what is the name of the compilers?
I think it's Ellipse, right?
That is Java C. Java C means Java compiler.
Okay.
What this Java compiler will do? The Java compiler will go to the Java file, read the instructions from the Java file, and then convert into the bytecode instruction.
Okay.
The Java compiler compile the Java code and generate
Okay.
and generate the dot class file format. Now what this dot class file consists of? Dot class file. The dot class class file consists of bytecode instructions.
Okay.
Every time, whatever the application you had written, once you compile the Java code or once you compile your code, then you will get a new file called as a .class file. This
Okay.
.class file contains the bytecode instructions. Once the bytecode instructions are generated, here the problem will start. What type of problem we will face is, as per the definition of a Java, okay, as
Okay.
per the definition of a Java, we need to
Are you asking me?
know, what the processor will understand here.
Okay.
Always the processor will understand the machine language. But here, unfortunately, the .class file which was generated by your compiler containing the bytecode instructions. My God, processor will understand machine language, but what the compiler is doing, it is generating the bytecode instructions.
Okay.
We don't know whether the processor will understand the bytecode instructions or not. We don't have any guarantee on that one. So, what they provided is, now, first of all, before going to see that one, now see. Here you will get a .class file like sample.class. What this .class file consists of? Bytecode, instructions. So once we have the bytecode instructions, then it's a problem for us. Why? Because the processor may understand or may not understand the bytecode instructions. To overcome this issue, to satisfy the statement of Java that the Java is a platform independent programming language, they provided a super mechanism called as JVM. What is that one?
What is it?
JVM. JVM. Can you tell me what is a JVM?
I'm not exactly sure.
JVM means Java Virtual Machine. This is the mechanism they provided for us. So once the .class file was generated, then the JVM will go to the .class file, reads the instructions of the .class file, and then it will convert. Okay? Now it will convert. Now see here. Now see. Once the .class file was generated, the JVM will convert the bytecode instructions. Where the bytecode instructions will be available, Samin?
In the class file?
Right, in the class file. So once the dot class file was generated, then the JVM will convert the bytecode instructions
To the class file?
into machine language. Okay. Once the dot class file was generated, then the JVM will convert the bytecode instructions into machine language. Now tell me, Samin, who will understand the machine language?
The machine?
No, you're very near to the answer. Come on, think it off and tell me. Who will understand the machine language?
Is it the processor?
Perfect. The processor. So the JVM converts the bytecode instructions into machine language as per your processor. So if JVM is available in my machine, then the JVM will convert the bytecode instructions from the dot class file into the machine language. Whereas the machine language will be understandable by the processor. So once the processor is understanding the machine language, then automatically I can say that the Java is a platform independent programming language. Why? Because if JVM is available in your machine, it will work according to the processor of your machine. If JVM is available in XYZ of machine, then there also the JVM will work according to that particular machine.
Okay.
So by this, you will say that whether the Java is a platform independent or not.
Well, so it's not, so it is platform, wait, so it's not platform independent then? Is that what you're saying?
Definitely, Java is a platform independent because of your JVM, because it will work according to the processor of your machine.
Okay.
If JVM is available in your machine, then it will convert the instructions into processor knowledge.
Right, okay.
If JVM is available in your machine, then it will work according to the processor of your machine.
Right, okay.
So the one who will have the JVM, then that JVM will work according to their processors, so that you can say very clearly that Java is a platform independent programming language.
Okay.
So once the processor is understanding, then it will execute the code and display the result here, which will display the result here. Here I will see the output. Is clear now, Samin?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Do you have any questions on this one?
So far I think I get it.
Right. So please revise this topic, Samin. Okay?
Okay.
And in tomorrow's session, we will have a small revision again on this topic, and then slowly we will entering into the Java programming language.
Okay.
Believe me, in just 1 week of time, you will start writing off your code on your own.
Alright.
But the only thing what I require from you is, please revise the topics what we had discussing on the particular session. Okay?
Okay.
Right. I hope so that you understand this session, Samin. And
Yeah.
definitely we will discuss again on this topic and we will get a clear idea if you have any questions. Okay?
Okay, sure. Sounds good.
Right. Thank you. Thank you, Samin.
All right. Yep. Thank you.
Bye for now.
All right. Bye.
Thank you.